In this video, we are going to show how to embed apps and programs using the website slide option in Pear Deck. So first, we'll open up our Pear Deck intro slideshow here, and then click on the Pear Deck add-on. And then we are going to scroll down to a couple slides that we've already formatted to embed some apps and programs like Padlet. So we'll go over to the add-on and click on the website slide type. And so we'll have that ready, and then we'll go over to Padlet for this slide and open up a Padlet that we've already created. And then you'll click on the share button if you are trying to embed a Padlet and copy the link to the clipboard. So you'll need to get the normal link, the share link for Padlet, and paste that into the website option for enter website. You'll see a preview of what the Padlet looks like, and then you can update the slide. And so we'll see what that looks like from the student view here in a moment. There's some other options that you can do. These are ways that students can interact with these programs all without leaving the Pear Deck. So Flipgrid is another option. We're going to go through our grid and then find a topic that we would like to add to our Pear Deck. So again, clicking on that share button to get the shareable link. So we're going to copy that link here, the join link for this topic, and use that same website slide option and paste that link directly to our topic. It might take a moment to load, but now it'll show up here in our preview with the way that your students access your Flipgrid. So I have my grid set for joining with Sign In with Google, and so it will show that in the preview. There are lots of other options that you can use the website slide type for. You can embed things like Desmos activities and any Google file like a Google form or a Google Doc, and those can be interactive for your students to use within the Pear Deck, so they don't have to leave the Pear Deck to interact with those websites. So this is the student view where you've got the Padlet, and students can fully interact with the Padlet without having to leave the Pear Deck. And moving on to the Flipgrid, they'll first have to log in to get access, but then it is the exact same as the full website where they can watch their classmates' responses and record a response all from within the Pear Deck slideshow. And here is the Google form that they can fully fill in from the Pear Deck without having to leave the slides. So again, the website is really great to embed websites into your Pear Deck for students to explore and experience, as well as apps and programs, just like we've seen here with Google files, as well as things like Padlet and Flipgrid and anything that you would like to try to embed.